everybody, and welcome back. I have another video for you guys, and in this one I'm going to be using the paint from the last video because I had a good bit left over and I didn't want to waste it. So I have the pink, yellow, and the blue with the glitter in each one. Pink glitter, blue glitter, and corresponding color. And in the yellow I have this kind of holographic glitter, so I didn't have yellow glitter. And the colors didn't mix in the previous pour as much as I wanted, so I'm going to try a dirty pour this time. And all I have is this big canvas. I have another big canvas left. I don't know what happened to this one. I don't know if I washed something off or put something on it, washed it off. I don't know. But this is all I've got. I've got to go get some more, and so I'm just going to pour on this. I'm looking for images more than I am an actual piece to display or anything, so that's why I'm just going to pour on this and not really matter much how it turns out. And in these paints I have my glue and water mixture, which is half glue, half water, a little bit of water. They also have a touch of matte medium in them, and in the previous video I forgot to mention that, but I did put it down in the description for you. They also have a touch of M1 in them because they did not have Floetrol at my Home Depot, so I use that instead. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It doesn't really matter. I don't know if it makes a difference. I haven't used it enough to know, so it may or it may not. I'm not really sure. But that is all that is in each color, and I always add my matte medium first and mix it into the paint really well before I add anything else, because if you add this after the paint is more liquid, it's harder to get this mixed in, so you'll have chunks of white show up in your pour and it's matte medium that hasn't been mixed in real well. So that's why I always mix that in first. That's a tip for you if you're having problems with that. A lot of people don't even use it, but I use it just as an extra binder in addition to the glue and water mixture that I make. So I'm just going to do a dirty pour with these and hope I don't get a big, ugly, muddy mess. So here we go. Alright, well I'm going to get some close-ups of this for you guys. I'm really loving this area here and a little bit of this here. We've got a little bit of lacing and the sails over here happening. And like I said, this here kind of ended up as a muddy mess, but this I really enjoy. So I'll get some close-ups. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below for me. And if you'd like, subscribe. It helps me out, and I enjoy making these for you guys. So I will see you next time.